Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix contact not showing up on iPhone without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, check iCloud Sync. Tap on Setting app. Tap on iCloud. Tap on Show All and you have to make sure that the contacts are enabled and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5-10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is update iOS version. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is sign out and sign back into the iCloud. You have to go the Setting app, then go to your Apple ID, scroll down and then simply tap on sign out and sign out your Apple ID and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on General, scroll up, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset Setting, tap on Reset Network Setting. You enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on Reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix contact not showing up on iPhone successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.